Aircraft propulsion refers to the mechanisms or systems used to generate thrust and propel an aircraft through the air. The propulsion system is a critical component of an aircraft and plays a significant role in its performance, efficiency, and range. There are several types of aircraft propulsion systems that have been used throughout history, but the two most common types are jet engines. Jet engines are the primary propulsion system used in most modern aircraft. They work on the principle of jet propulsion, which involves the ejection of a high-speed jet of gas to generate thrust. Jet engines can be further classified into subtypes. A. Turbojet engines. These engines consist of a compressor, combustion chamber, turbine, and nozzle. They compress incoming air, mix it with fuel in the combustion chamber, ignite it, and then exhaust it through a nozzle, producing a high-velocity jet of gases. Turbojet engines are highly efficient at high speeds but less efficient at low speeds. B. Turbofan engines. Turbofan engines are a variation of turbojet engines and are the most common type of jet engines used in commercial aircraft. They have an additional fan at the front, which bypasses a portion of the incoming air around the engine core. This bypass air provides additional thrust and contributes to the engine's efficiency, especially at lower speeds. Circa. Turboprop engines. Turboprop engines are a combination of a gas turbine engine and a propeller system. They use a gas turbine to drive a gearbox, which turns a propeller. Turboprop engines are commonly used in smaller aircraft and offer good fuel efficiency at lower speeds. Piston engines. Piston engines, also known as reciprocating engines, are internal combustion engines that use pistons to convert pressure into rotational motion. They are commonly used in small general aviation aircraft. Piston engines work by burning fuel-air mixture in cylinders, which drives pistons, and the reciprocating motion is converted into rotational motion by a crankshaft. The rotational motion then drives a propeller, generating thrust. Other types of aircraft propulsion systems include rocket engines, which are used in space vehicles and some military aircraft, and electric propulsion systems, which are still in the early stages of development for aircraft applications. Each type of propulsion system has its advantages and disadvantages in terms of efficiency, power, speed, and range. The choice of propulsion system depends on factors such as the type of aircraft, its intended purpose, and the desired performance characteristics.